But Mayor, you can weigh in on this. I know you've been frustrated with the governor for making it difficult for local leaders like you to try to protect your citizens. For people who are watching who might not understand the power structure, when it comes to mask mandates or vaccination mandates, what can you do and what can't you do as a mayor?
Well, we used to be able to simply implement a mask mandate from our city to local businesses or to whomever. And we were following the CDC guidelines pretty scrupulously. I think we were the first city in the country after the CDC said to do so to actually implement a mask mandate. And it helped. We had a huge surge. It went down after the mask mandate. But then the governor really did almost an about face and decided he was going to politicize all of this. So the next time we started to open up, he didn't allow us to do mask mandates. He issued executive orders and stopping us from doing it. He's made vaccine passports illegal. He's literally just last week taken control from local school boards as to what they can do with regard to mask usage. And I think it's not unfair to accuse him of politicizing this. It's part of his stump speech. He's got merchandise from his campaign that makes fun of mask usage, makes fun of the CDC, and ridicules Dr. Fauci. So we're definitely at odds with the governor, who thinks that he's made a political calculation that the healthcare consequences are worth it for the political advantages.
Well, the government was responsible for developing the vaccine. Healthcare professionals educated us. And now it seems more and more like we're relying on private industry, businesses or unions to take us to the next step and requiring masks or vaccinations. But just yesterday, we got word from the New York State Teachers Union that they will not support a vaccine mandate. How does that impact efforts like yours?
Well, we're going to do everything we can to our city employees. If they're not vaccinated, I think pretty soon we're going to require them to be tested regularly. I think the vaccine passports actually would have helped a lot. And you can see the fight between our governor and the cruise industry, who I think know their customers pretty well and wanted to at least require that they be vaccinated before coming on board. You know, this is this is an unforced error. Honestly, if everybody was vaccinated, I don't think this Delta variant would be flowing the way it has. And unfortunately, because there's so much politicization of this, people are just not stepping up at the levels they need to. And I think our state is the best example because our governor has decided this is more of a political opportunity than a healthcare challenge.